Hey folks, thanks for joining us. My name is Erin Dawson. I'm the communications manager on the developer relations team at Oracle, and today I am joined by my colleague Apoorva. Apoorva, how's it going? How are you?
Hi, Erin. It's going great. Thank you for having me today.
Yeah, totally. And the reason we're talking is because there is a lot of news in the Apex corner of Oracle, and I wanted to talk to you about that news and about that certification that we'll talk about in a little bit. But for folks who aren't super familiar, Apex is Oracle's, I would say, flagship low code application. But before we talk about Apex, before we talk about certification, can you talk to us about what low code applications are in general?
Right. So, low code application platforms basically enable you to rapidly build and deploy apps with minimal hand coding. So, using a model driven or a graphical programming approach, you can build apps consisting of user interface, the business logic, workflows, and even data management.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Asked and answered. Thank you for that. So, what is Oracle Apex? Why should someone start learning Apex? Go in. Go for
So,
it.
Oracle Oracle Apex is the world's most popular enterprise low-code application platform. And Apex enables you to build apps 20 times faster with 100 times less code. And the interesting thing is that you can deploy these apps anywhere, be it on public cloud, private cloud, or even on premises. And like you said, a person with minimal programming experience and a little bit of SQL knowledge can build apps and even customize it using Apex. And also, I would like to add that Oracle Apex comes at a no cost feature with Oracle database. So you can take advantage of a large majority of Oracle database features using Apex.
Wonderful. Thank you for that. So, if I wanted to learn Apex, if one wanted to learn Apex, how would I do that? What's the best place to do that?
So recently, the Oracle Apex product team has published training content if you want to get started with Apex. So we have developed two learning paths. The first one would be Oracle Foundations learning path. So if you are a business looking to evaluate a low-code platform for your enterprise, or if you are a pre-sales or a salesperson who is looking to get an overview of Apex, or you want to get acquainted with Apex, or you just are looking to get an overview of Apex, then Oracle Apex Foundations would be the perfect learning path for you. You get to learn the foundations and fundamental concepts of Apex, and also learn how to build a simple app. And what's more is that you once you complete this course, you also earn a badge from Oracle. In case you do take up this course, don't forget to share it on social media and tag us.
Okay, that sounds good. You mentioned there were two learning paths, though. Could you say a little bit about the second one?
Yeah, that's right. So the second learning path is the Oracle Apex Developer Professional Learning Path. So this is an extensive learning path which consists of a 13-hour expert training video, and where we teach you about the concepts of Apex. We go into detail with each concept, and also we show you some real world examples of building applications with Apex. And along with that, we have also curated some hands-on labs for you to practice these concepts online with Apex.
Great. Okay, so those are the two learning paths. But if we could zoom out a little bit and talk about why would someone want to take these learning paths, either the foundations or the varsity level one? What are the benefits of these learning paths?
Yeah, that's right. So, by taking up these courses, you will be equipped to develop apps the low code way using Oracle Apex, and you will also be more confident of developing these apps by yourself. So I would like to narrate an incident where recently we had an intern joining us, a student with a computer science background. So he had prior programming experience where he had developed apps for his academic projects using traditional programming languages like Python and Flask. So, as a challenge, we asked him to develop the same application using Apex. And what is interesting is that he was able to develop this app within 3 weeks of joining us. So that's really terrific for a student who has just started with Apex, and he was able to do it with minimal help from our team and using the training content that we had developed. So this is just one example among many that we hear every day from our customers who are able to build scalable, fully functional apps using Apex within less span of time and also with fewer developers. So
Great.
that would be a great motivation for you to start learning Apex.
Wonderful. Okay, great. That's a really great use of an internship, I would think too. So way to go on that. So as we round out our discussion today, let's say that someone completes either of the learning paths. What would be then the next step in their Apex learning journey?
Right. Right. So the next logical step would be to take up the Oracle Apex Cloud Developer Professional certification. So this certification comes along with the Oracle Apex Developer Professional Learning Path. So once you register for the professional learning path, you also can take up this certification for free. And Oracle University is providing this certification for free through August 31st. So do join the race to the certification now, and use the content and also make use of the training content that we have developed and curated for you, which will help you in preparing and passing the exam.
Great.
Also, lastly,
Mm-hmm.
Lastly, I would like to add that if you want to learn about the training content and certification from Oracle Apex, I encourage you to visit our official site, that is apex.oracle.com/go/training, where you'll find all the information that we just discussed here today.
That's right. Okay, cool. So again, for folks who didn't get that and are screaming at their screens for me to read a URL out loud, and who wouldn't be doing that? It is apex.oracle.com/go/training. Of course, that will be in the description for this video, including a few of the other learning materials that we talked about. Apoorva, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you, Erin. It was my pleasure.
Cool. And folks, we'll see you after you're certified. We won't see you after you're certified. We wish you luck with your certification. You could do it. We believe in you. We believe in your victory. Until next time, see you later.